is expected to march towards victory simply owing to the sheer number advantage that they have. But let's get you the details of what is expected. Numbers as they stand at the moment, and hours from now it could all change. But here is how they stand at the moment. The Vice President is going to be chosen through an electoral college of the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha MPs. The total strength being 781. So this means that the majority mark that is required for the pick to be the Vice President is 391. Now look at how the numbers really stack. For the NDA, the numbers are at 427. So they are well ahead of the majority mark that's actually required. And look at the numbers of the India bloc. They're at 308. They are falling short of the magic number, which means that it's almost going to be a walkover or an easy win for the NDA pick. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk about how the number games, look at the numbers here. They show you very clearly who has the edge. It is going to be the NDA. But there are other parties as well, including the YSRCP, the AIMIM, the BJD, the BRS. Where are these numbers going? Let's talk about what is expected. As far as the YSRCP is concerned, they have extended their complete support to the NDA. So this, in fact, makes the NDA fold even more comfortable, because apart from their own 427, they're going to be adding another 11 from the YSRCP. Now look at the India bloc. India bloc in itself has 308. The Aam Aadmi Party has exited the India bloc recently, but they have decided to extend their support to Justice Reddy. So 12 of the MPs from the Aam Aadmi Party will also be joining that number. Apart from that, the AIMIM has also extended its support. Asaduddin Owaisi saying that he is going to be extending support to fellow Hyderabadi Justice Reddy. So this takes the number one further. But more importantly, ahead of the Bihar elections, this is about the unity that is being portrayed by the India bloc, with the AIMIM also coming together. The Azad Party also extending support. That brings the total to 322. Again, it's not a big contest that you're seeing currently, but there have been claims and counterclaims that have been coming in that there could be cross-voting. And the question, of course, of whether BJD as well as BRS would be voting or whether they would be abstaining from vote completely.
अपने पार्टी के हित में नहीं, लेकिन देश के हित में सोच समझकर आप मतदान करिए। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आप जो भी निर्णय लेंगे वो मेरे हित में और आपके हित में नहीं, लेकिन देश के हित में आपका निर्णय होगा। जो भी आपका निर्णय होगा मैं स्वीकार करने के लिए तैयार हूं। ये देश आपकी है, मेरी है और अपने सबकी है।
So this was the appeal by the opposition candidate, Justice Reddy, appealing to the voters to vote for the spirit of India, going on to say that this is about the spirit of the country. But the question is, can Justice Sudarshan Reddy and the India bloc rope in some of the other fence-sitters on their side to give the NDA a closer fight? So let's tell you where the fence-sitters are at the moment. Now, sources have indicated that they will be abstaining from vote, but these are the MPs. Who will they be backing? That question still remains. Will they be abstaining completely? That question also remains. The BJD and the BRS, with 7 and 4 MPs respectively, has decided to abstain from the vote completely. The NDA, as we told you, already has the backing of the YSRCP, and the India bloc has the backing of the Aam Aadmi Party, the AIMIM as well as the Azad Party. And there are some parties that have not really announced yet where they would be voting, and that includes the Akali Dal, the BSP, as well as the other MPs. Now, what's interesting is that in terms of numbers, this may not be significant because the NDA already has the numbers. But this is more than just the numbers. This is about all parties coming together and putting up a fight. Is there going to be a scare for the NDA? Ahead of the Bihar elections, that number is going to be very crucial, and apart from that, it's also going to be crucial on which are the parties which are backing the India bloc and the NDA.
NDA सांसदों के साथ में वार्ता की है और आज बहुत अच्छा मीटिंग हुआ। 10% NDA MPs राज्यसभा और लोकसभा का एक साथ मिलना हुआ और प्रधानमंत्री जी का मार्गदर्शन भी हुआ। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो हाल ही में पार्लियामेंट में जितना इम्पोर्टेंट बिल्स पास किए हैं उसको लेकर के बहुत अपना खुशी भी जताया, साथ साथ ये भी कहा कि इतना इम्पोर्टेंट बिल्स का सही मायने में लोगों तक जानकारी जाना चाहिए। जैसे कि ऑनलाइन गेमिंग का, गैम्बलिंग और गेमिंग को मिक्सअप करके जो हमारे युवाओं का फ्यूचर खराब हो रहा था उसके बारे में जानकारी हम लोगों को पब्लिक को देने के लिए कहा।
Nobody knows the real reason for Mr. Dhankar's resignation. This election was forced by BJP and its ruling allies. Now, as far as candidate is concerned, Justice Sudarshan Reddy is a very known jurist, justice, known for his commitment to the Constitution. We have appealed to all the political parties. Look at the candidates and who can occupy that position, giving respect to the Constitution and upholding the constitutional values.
So both the NDA and the India camps held a series of meetings over the